Yeah, these things are cool. I love them. Hey everybody, I am Steve and this is the Vont Pyro bike headlight set. Let's get into it. This is everything that you get in the box. Couple USB charging cords, the front light and a tail light, and 4 straps. Personally, I like this style of bike headlight because with the straps, it makes for a very easy install around your handlebar. Now Vont makes very powerful little headlights. I want you to see the size of these in relation to my hand. On the underside of the light, they have this little flap, and under it you can see the charging port. This little light is bright and has 4 modes. Just keep depressing the power button and you'll go through all the modes. That's very bright, and that's the main idea. You got to be seen. You'll definitely be seen. Alright, it's the same process with the rear tail light. Keep depressing the power button, it'll take it through 4 different modes. Ooh, those are bright. I really like these hooks right here on the back. Basically a clip. It can go over your belt, it can go on your hat. These rubber straps just slide down over this clip, and then you can wrap it around whatever and hook it there on the light, and that makes for installation to be super simple. Let's do a darkness test. I'm in my garage, but it's pretty dark in here. Let's go through these modes. That is bright. People are going to definitely see you, and you are going to be seen and see other stuff from a 4 ways away. That is very bright. Let's go to the tail light. Right there you can see the tail light. Very bright, very noticeable. Yeah, these things are cool. I love them. Hey, if you're looking at these headlights and tail lights, I hope you found this video helpful.